day, the next day, and I am somewhat just kind of over shit right now, but that ain't nothing but the devil, because I was in such good spirits yesterday, and now the devil trying to attack a bitch this morning. I don't know what the fuck, but we about to get my little morning care routine going on so I can get ready for the day, so I can head to some business. Thank you for choosing my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends all about it. So yeah, I'm just in my gown and just about to feed these dogs and feed the kids. Okay. So I had to hurry up and just throw something on real quick because I definitely got to get my car fixed, and I'm just tired of, I just got to make some shit shake. So I had to make the kids breakfast before I actually went out for the world today. So basically they got some waffles with these cute little emojis on them. Those are so cool. Hash browns and Jello. I couldn't do the eggs because I'm in an actual rush. So yeah, we're gonna go see how this takes. Y'all good?
Yeah.
Cool, good. Okay, y'all, I'm back at home. And basically, I just dropped my car off to the shop. I'm probably gonna take me a little nap for right now until I just figure some other stuff out. My phone was dead while I was out. So yeah, taking a nap. Hey y'all see me in my car. About to crash this motherfucker too, but I did that, and that's so motherfucking. Today turned out very, very good. Although I was very stressed out and just like kind of over shit, I made it happen.
You won't capture my soul. I'm again over so. Make you one more. Bye.
Okay, y'all, I am back at home. Got my car fixed, and I am so happy about that. So I'm just doing a little bit of cleaning up the house. I'm about to feed these little dogs. So yeah.